Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the pause menu and navigating straight to settings right arrow modes. This is the control hub. Once done, make sure you are signed into your primary account and that Black Ops 6 is updated, because modes can be gated by patches or signed-in status. If a custom modes toggle appears locked, enable it in Account Permissions. This unlocks the rest of the flow. You'll be ready to select a mode immediately after these first actionable steps. You now pick the target playlist, ranked, public, or custom, because each enforces different matchmaking rules. Then adjust match rules like time limit, score limit, friendly fire, and map rotation. Tweak these so the match behaves how you expect. If you plan to reuse settings, save them as a preset. If hosting, open advanced options and set team sizes, respawn behavior, and bans. Make sure to test a quick match to confirm the rule interactions before inviting players or queuing for ranked. You finish by starting the match or inviting your party and confirming that you hold host authority when using custom rules. If players see different modes, reapply the preset and have everyone relaunch the lobby. This synchronizes settings. When things still fail, clear the game cache and verify NAT type, server region, and any account restrictions. These often block mode changes. If that fails, relogging or updating the game usually resolves lingering permission or matchmaking conflicts. Then retry your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.